This is the fourth question of JEE Advanced 2025 paper 1. So in this question it is given that figure 1 shows the configuration of many scale and the 1 year scale before measurement. So this is the situation given to us. If you look at this, that the 0 of the many scale and the 0 of the 1 year scale, they are right below each other. So that's why this there is no zero error here. And then another thing we can also find out is how many VST are matching with how many MST. Okay, so figure 2 shows the configuration corresponding to the measurement of diameter D of the tube. Measured value of the D is, so we need to calculate the measurement in this figure 2. So let us do some calculation before that from the figure 1. From the figure 1 we look at this main scale. So main scale is given like this. How many divisions are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So usual. Okay, so we have 10 MST, and so that's why 10 MST equals to 10 mm. So 1 MST is 1 mm, correct? Now next is, this is how many VST are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 VST are there. 10 VST are matching with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 MST. So 10 VST equals to 7 MST. So from here we get 1 VSD is equals to 7 divided by 10, 0.7 mm. Okay, and because the VST is lesser than MST, so we can calculate the least count here. Least count is MST minus VST, so that becomes the 1 minus 0.7, so that becomes 0.3 mm. Okay, this is the least count. And now we will go to the figure 2. In the figure 2, the formula for the measurement is quite simple. Formula for the measurement is equals to, measured value is equals to MSR plus least count times of VSR. Okay, here VSR. So MSR, main scale reading is 0.1. Okay, so or otherwise let us do, okay, the calculation is in the centimeter, so let us do in the centimeter only. So 0.1 centimeter. Okay, plus least count is 0.3 mm, or otherwise 0.03 centimeter times of VSR. VSR the reading which is matching with the 1 year is the main scale. So if I look at this, this is not matching, this, all these are not matching. Only if you look carefully, this the first one is matching, this one is matching. So VSR is 1, quite simple. So from here it is 0.1 plus 0.03, so that's why 0.13 mm, sorry, centimeter. Okay, so this is correct answer. Option C is correct.